In this video, I'll show you how to quickly search in Slack so you never lose track of important messages or files. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips. Once you log into Slack through the desktop app or browser, head to your workspace. At the top of the window, you'll see the search bar. Click on it and type what you're looking for. To find messages from a specific person, type from @username and Slack will instantly show all their contributions across channels. This makes it super easy to follow up on past conversations. If you're searching for files, click the three dots menu on the left, then select Files. You'll see documents you've recently viewed or shared. For a complete overview, choose All Files. Perfect for tracking down presentations, PDFs, or shared resources in Slacks. And that's it. Mastering Slack search saves time and keeps your workflow organized. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more guides